this tutorial, we're going to take a quick look at how you can combine or group elements in Canva. So I have this template here, free to use template. And as you can see, all things are separate. But what if I now want to combine certain things with each other? What you then can do is either drag on top of everything to select it, or select it by just clicking it and holding the Shift key to include everything you want to have in your design. And let's say you want to have these, then you get the option automatically to group. And now they are grouped. And the benefit of that is, as you can see here, you can move them all together. So they're now one group. You can also change the transparency, and it goes for all the elements in the group. If you select the entire group, of course, change the transparency and it goes for all the elements in the group. And as you saw just before, if you select one item within that group, you can still change the transparency for just that one item. But if you have the entire group selected, everything you do, like transparency or effects or the position, it's all adjusted at once for all the elements inside of that group. So easy as that, just drag on top of what you want. If they're too close together, select them using your cursor and holding the Shift key, and then you get the group option and you group everything into one editable object. Let me know in the comments below if you like this video. Be sure to press the thumbs up button if you did. Press that subscribe button to see more of my videos. I have new ones going live every week. And for now, thank you for watching my video. Stay creative, and I hope to see you in the next one.